Oriuela and Murcia. I have driven by a few times, but I never stopped here. And I was a bit surprised because the town was a bit nicer than I thought. Today I was going here to make drone videos from all the ruins from the fortress above Oriuela. But Oriuela was so nice that I think I will go back one day. I did not take the normal trail up to see the fortress because I couldn't find it. I found it with my drone later. Actually, I went up somewhere around here. It was very steep, so with cuts and bruises, and I actually hit my head on the way. I would like to have videos on the way, but I don't have. So we will now see the real trail where people go. Next time I go, I will take this trail. And as we say in Norway, when you hit your head, that as long as it doesn't affect your intelligent part of the brain, it's not the problem. But actually, when I spoke with some people later on, very nice couple, they were asking me what I was doing for a living, and I wanted to say that I'm retired and I live in Spain because of health problems, but you know, the Spanish words for they have a lot of similar words in English and with an A or an O in the ending. So I wanted to say I was retired, and I said retardo, which means slow or retarded. But they didn't laugh or didn't comment, and they didn't say anything, so I guess they thought I was retarded. Retardo. So, but I met lots of nice people on the way there. Not so much left Old Fortress, but it had to be a huge complex. It was from the area when the Moors reigned this, all of this area, and some nice people told me that it was from the Siglo XI, which means that it's built from between year 1000 and 1100. Look at these amazing surroundings. This is the top. And a golden rule when you make drone videos is don't appear in the drone videos. But I had no place to hide. So there you see me. Very similar, the round structure that you saw I flew over is very similar in many other fortresses from the same period of time. The locals said that this walking on this top is also very exciting. It's not allowed to fly there, so I did a photo with telelens. I wanted to do this in reverse, fly in really fast, as you will see later. But you saw the birds flying by, and if I do this clip in reverse, the birds would fly backwards, so that would be really stupid. So, but look at the surroundings. Amazing views from this place. I will definitely go back one day. This is in February. The whole day was more than 20 degrees, so t-shirt and yeah. In a little while, yeah, you will see why I wanted to do this in reverse. Because when I back up really fast now, I really wanted to do this the other way. Come in fast and going around. But the mountains here, the mountains you see in the background are really, really amazing. I want to go back one day, but it's illegal to fly drone in this area. This is more agricultural landscape. Please press like and subscribe for more content like this.